Cogmi AI has just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with the space, this is going to be valuable. So stick around until the end, where I'll reveal how you can try Cogmi AI completely free. Trust me, there are features here you don't want to miss out on. So let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what Cogmi AI actually is. This software is designed to be your go-to tool for automating tasks that traditionally take up a lot of time, particularly when it comes to digital marketing. It offers a comprehensive suite of features from content creation to data analysis, making it an excellent addition for marketers, business owners, or anyone looking to leverage AI for productivity. Now, let's dive into the key aspects of Cogmi AI that make it stand out. One of its most powerful features is its ability to help with content generation. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media updates, or even video scripts, Cogmi AI helps you craft high-quality content with minimal effort. But it doesn't just spit out generic content. It understands context, tone, and audience, tailoring its suggestions to match your needs. Another game-changing feature of Cogmi AI is its data analytics capabilities. This AI tool doesn't just give you data, it interprets it for you. So, if you're running ad campaigns or looking for insights into your digital strategy, Cogmi AI offers actionable recommendations that can improve performance. This is not only a time saver, but a major competitive edge for anyone in digital marketing. What sets Cogmi AI apart is its ability to continuously improve. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, it analyzes your interactions, feedback, and results to provide even more accurate recommendations over time. This is huge because most AI tools stop learning after the initial setup, but Cogmi AI evolves with you and your business. Integration is another thing worth mentioning. Cogmi AI can easily integrate with your existing tools, whether it's your CRM, email marketing platform, or analytics dashboard. This makes it easy to start using it right away without worrying about a complex setup process. If you're someone who uses several tools for your marketing, the integration process is seamless, which will save you a ton of time. Speaking of time saving, one of the most powerful features of Cogmi AI is its automation. It doesn't just generate content or analyze data, it automates entire workflows. For example, if you're running a digital marketing campaign, Cogmi AI can schedule posts, send personalized emails, and track user engagement without you lifting a finger. Imagine the amount of manual labor this eliminates from your daily tasks. But what about user friendliness? Well, Cogmi AI has a very intuitive interface. If you're new to AI or digital marketing, you won't have to worry about a steep learning curve. Everything is designed with ease of use in mind, and there's plenty of support if you need it. So, even if you're not technically savvy, you can still get up and running quickly. Lastly, let's talk about cost. Right now, you can try Cogmi AI completely free from the first link below. That's right. Get access to all the features without paying a dime. I always recommend trying software before committing, and Cogmi AI offers this risk-free trial, so you can see firsthand what it can do for you. To sum it up, if you're looking for an AI tool that can streamline your marketing, boost productivity, and continuously learn to meet your needs, Cogmi AI is definitely worth checking out. After trying thousands of AI softwares myself, I've compiled a list of the top recommended tools in the description below, all of which you can try for free. So make sure to explore those as well and let me know what you think about Cogmi AI. Happy marketing, and I'll see you in the next one.